What's up, y'all? Hey.
Damn, the minivan.
You loaded up, we're blocking.
Hold on.
Oh, we got a part? We like getting.
How was the flight?
Oh, it was fantastic.
Good?
Yeah.
First class?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the door's a little fucked.
I'm not that strong. Yo's supposed to.
A little push.
Oh, it'll be alright.
Oh, okay, they smashed them in. I was like, how do they fit in there? Oh, damn. Came at the right day, dude. Just in time.
And I didn't think these were gonna be here in time.
Yeah, I remember you told me.
What's going on, guys? So we're over at PFI right now. Brent is currently tuning this CRX. We're just getting some cars ready for the event coming up this weekend. We are also finishing up the hatch right now. Damn, those control arms look good. Look at you cleaning up the hatch. So we just got the fuel lines all hung up. So that's all ready to go. We also replaced this front control arm right here because if you guys remember, this bolt was completely stripped. So we had to get a whole new one. So I could put this last track bar on right here. That's all ready to go. We had a couple loose tranny bolts that we tightened up as well. Just picked up SP Tuning from the airport, as you guys just saw. They're already coming in clutch, helping out. But yeah, she should be ready to go as far as underneath the car, so we can lower it back down. And then pretty soon we're gonna get it back on the dyno and get her retuned.
Time for 9s.
Yep, it's the goal. We'll see what she does.
Got a new rubber on it too?
Yeah, we got some tires. They're at the shop right now. We dropped those off. Getting some new slicks put on, so it's gonna be a fun weekend for sure. Dang, you ready for the dyno?
Oh yeah.
I think she's ready.
Born ready. You wanna see something really cool?
What?
I got a little surprise.
What's that? Oh damn! Got a Boostedboiz turbo.
They were stoked for all you've done for them. So you've got your own Boostedboiz line here.
Dude, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Is that just like etched on there?
Laser. Yeah.
Dude, that's fucking sick.
Right on.
It'd be sweet if one day they could get it like in the cast molding, right?
Not bad though.
Boostedboiz eBay turbos. Gotta run one on the Integra.
Right? I gotta get one of those.
Hey, twin turbo.
Second hit. God damn.
I was waiting for that motor to come out. Oh fuck, man. I don't want to pick that up, man.
You guys are matching the car real good right now.
Alright guys, so Brent had to tune a whole bunch of cars today. It is obviously late, it is dark out, but we finally got the hatch on the dyno. We just got the base pressure for the fuel set. It's at 55 PSI. Right now Brent's going through the tune. He has to redo everything because it's a whole new fuel system. So I'm sure he's gonna take a few minutes doing that. But then once he's ready, we're gonna start rolling it. And I guess we'll see how she does. $5.99.
473, yeah.
473 torque.
Your duty cycle's 35%.
It's 600 horsepower.
It's 600 horse.
Not even using half of the injector yet.
Turn it up!
98.
What I did is I took the base fuel out of it, so I didn't have all that exhaust like choking me at the beginning. Yeah. So it might have killed some torque, but smoothed it out. Yeah. Funneled out. Yeah.
That's a lot better.
That's what we're gonna do.
Just leave it right there?
Yeah.
Looks good to me.
Looks good.
2 horsepower under 700.
Hey, it's 700.
Call it 700 at that point.
Hey.
That's 0.8. That's 0.8, dude. Round it up. 700.
That's at least 700 on Cletus's dyno.
What?
So mine was the 9th one you've done today? The 9th tune?
Yeah.
Damn, you've been up all day.
And we've been chasing little issues with each one. I'll kick it off and I'll put another one on and like just keep rounding them out.
Damn. Gotta get him ready for the race.
Yeah.
Thank you for the tune though.
Yeah, we were
was
rocking
good.
it. We were rocking it.
She has a lot more fuel now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
She's ready.
Oh yeah, now we just need more turbo.
Well, I think it's time to get out of here.
Yeah, we're out.
It's about 1:30 in the morning.
Is that what time it is?
Yeah.
On what day?
Tomorrow's the day.
Tomorrow's the day.
What day is today?
Saturday.
It is the day.
It's taco days today.
It's time.
We have to come right back.
Well,
Send it, Poppy.
It like started off slow and was like.
Oh! Dang, you ready?
yeah.
Got the shopping cart loaded up too. We're bringing everything. And the KTI.
Man, she gets it. So we got these guys working on the Routacy, getting the transmission in.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take it out real quick.
So here's the transmission. We obviously got to clean it up, and it's not gonna look like that. And the boys are wrenching.
Yeah, we're getting shit done.
Hell yeah! How's this thing coming along?
Fucking melted the whole ground. Because
Too
we
hot
shorted
today,
it out.
man. So hot today, they melted wire.
Too hot?
After we put a new ground on it, we're just gonna try to get all the wiring fixed. I haven't touched this thing in
Yeah, a long time.
months.
I'm actually excited.
Bong's all excited about it.
He loves the small motors, dude. Any all motor.
If I put a
You got
turbo
air-
on it, he's gonna be like, no.
No, I don't want to touch it.
It's almost ready.
Almost?
Just got done draining. Most of the belt housing bolts are off. Now just dropped them out.
Got the turbo
Still
off
gotta take
already.
that right off.
Nice.
We're not as good as, you know.
Hey,
It ain't 14 minutes.
I'm sorry we can't do it in 15 minutes.
Hey, 14.
Sorry, 14.
Got you working hard back here. Ooh, looks good though.
You fuck around and put bug spray, not sunscreen.
There you go.
You just go wash it out and spray paint.
This is a Hellcat. Thank you. 633. So they got the tranny in. Got Pablo down there working the T-mount. What do we got left? Just the axle?
Axles, and hook up everything up here.
Nice. This one will be done soon. Nice. So she's all ready to go.
I think it's loud.
Hell yeah.
Damn, we just got really lucky with that. So got the training in and we were just running it and we noticed that the timing belt was jumping around a little bit, and then we were just kind of looking at it. We found this crack right here about halfway through the belt that was just about to snap off. Give the timing belt a good inspection. A little lower.
Just riding on that front.
No, a little lower.
Lower?
Feel the timing belt. Higher, higher, high. Oh, you're getting there.
Oh yeah. Oh, good catch.
Yeah.
At least it's easy to fix now.
Yeah.
Crap. Something went through it.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably I need to get my lower cover. That's probably why.
Yeah.
Get dunked?
I got dunked. Charlie's hitting dunked.
Charlie's up there.
Park VIP in the middle of nowhere. That's all he's got, Charlie. Send it, Poppy. We're gonna run in the middle.
All right, SP tuning crowd has got to. I can't.
You gotta let me drive that.
I can't drive it
You
right
gotta
now.
let me drive that.
Oh, I want passenger seat.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, just watch out for the car and people.
Yeah. You get it in the sweet spot, it'll just stay there. Just keep it cranked.
It's like my old Miata.
Oh, you gotta open the hatch. If you open it,
Yeah, we should open the hatch.
Stop.
Oh,
You're gonna have to,
Go in the
you're gonna have to
middle.
get over there more. So yeah, like right here, just get into it a little.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
No, go right.
Charlie, are you okay?
Come on! Okay, I'll go back to the walk. I'll go right in the middle.
Oh, the wheel's done.
You're so
Just let him walk past you and be like, hey, Daddy. He's gonna turn around. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. He's wearing it, dude. He looked great, man.
Looks good on you.
All right, I need a Sharpie.
Sharpie?
Yeah.
So we just extended the steering linkage on the STI. Kyle's just welding it up now.
Try to turn it.
Ooh. Man, she turns again, dude. No more kicking the rim.
Yeah, when we have to load it up onto a trailer.
Nah, we're good. I'm done. Nah, just kidding.
Still got a lot more to do.
I know. Hey, that's a big piece though, man.
Yeah. About to send it in the 4Runner like 60 miles an hour through this mud hole. Oh my God. Charlie's sending it in his element right now. Oh! might pull over a little bit. Look at that wheelie. Damn. I got air. Look at that. Damn. Look at that, dude. Not bad. Not too bad.
Holy fuck.
You know why this thing's so fast? It's because Fong put C16 racing gas in there without even telling me. Look at it. It's blue. You can't see it.
So it's got like, I told him, if put this thing in full dyno boost be 3 or 4 horsepower different.
Oh, yeah.
With that juice. So, but.
Put race gas in there.
Yeah. He not even knew or know until he say engine is hot, motor is hot. It's got all burn now. Man, this thing stinks.
That thing runs good.
Yeah,
though.
I took it through the mud holes a couple times.
It gets out. Like,
Dude, I can't believe it pulls on the pit bike, honestly.
I was like, man. I was giving her all she's got, Captain. And just like, man. I'm like, no.
We spent too much time messing around today.
I don't know, we were working though too.
You were working.
It was a lot of everything.
It got pretty rowdy.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was perfect.
It is
Good group of people, friends, family. We had people drive down from Minnesota, Texas, Puerto Rico, everywhere. It's crazy.
so sweet.
Crazy. It was awesome. Taco Days was
It was sick.
sure. We had Charlie here.
Yeah, and he jumped his element.
He just said so hard.
And we still get to go to the track tomorrow. Are you gonna be able to bring the NSX, or is it staying?
No, it was coming anyway because I'm gonna go through it. So
Yeah.
I'm just leaving it. I'm not gonna fix right. I just got it for the Taco Days. I got the turbo, and we're gonna run through the tranny and the motor real quick and get it all ready for the next time. 3-car takeover. It's gonna be a repeat of last year. So this year though, I'm gonna take it. You might have more power. I will have more power. And it should be good.
Gonna get the hatch and NSX from a roll again.
Yeah. From a roll, from a dig, whatever it's gonna
I'll do anything you want.
Me too.
I got that weight plate. I'm ready. I just need those. I just need some axles.
Yeah, I got axles. That's one thing I did put in it already.
Ooh, got it. My mom's taking me to soccer practice.
My window not work.
Mom, let's go to McDonald's. Oh yeah, this window doesn't work.
2 trainings later.
There she goes.
Taco Days like a motherfucker. Right?
Right.
Hell yeah.